students. In this session, we will study Jacobians. It is a very important topic in engineering mathematics and also useful for some competitive examinations. So first of all, define what is Jacobian. So if we have u and v as differentiable functions of x and y, that means u and v are in terms of x and y, and the derivatives of u and v with respect to x, y exist, we can calculate. Then Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y denoted by j equal to dabba uv by dabba xy. Read it as a Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. And what is the formula? It is given by j is equal to, that is dabba uv by dabba xy. It is a determinant, 2 by 2 determinant, dabba u by dabba x, dabba u by dabba y, dabba v by dabba x, and dabba v by dabba y. So as in the determinant you can see that there are derivatives. So this condition of differentiability is important, that u and v must be differentiable, the derivatives must exist with respect to x and y. And one more important thing, that this u and v means numerator variables we must have explicitly in terms of denominator variables x and y to use this formula or definition. So if you are denoting dabba uv by dabba xy or Jacobian of uv with respect to xy by j, then its inverse, that is j dash, will be Jacobian of xy with respect to uv. Jacobian of xy with respect to u and v. If we are calling this as a j, then this thing will be j dash automatically. Okay. So this is when we have u and v in terms of x and y. Similarly, instead of two variables, suppose we have three variables. If u, v, w are differentiable functions of x, y and z, that means u, v and w are in terms of x, y and z, then Jacobian of UVW with respect to x, y, z is given by, now obviously if that uv in terms of x, y, that is a 2 by 2 determinant, here we have u, v and w in terms of x, y and z, so it will be automatically a 3 by 3 determinant. It is denoted by j, that is dabba uvw by dabba x, y and z, that is Jacobian of uvw with respect to x, y, z. It is a 3 by 3 determinant, dabba u by dabba x, first entry, dabba u by dabba y, dabba u by dabba z, then second row will be dabba v by dabba x, dabba v by dabba y, dabba v by dabba z, and last row it is dabba w by dabba x, dabba w by dabba y, dabba w by dabba z. This is a 3 by 3 determinant, you can see. And if you are denoting it by j, this is a j, then the j dash will be what? Automatically its inverse, that is dabba x, y, z by dabba u, v and w. And there is one more important property for that Jacobian, that for any Jacobian, J into J dash is always equal to 1. This is the property. J into J dash is always equal to 1. Okay, so this is the basic definition, basic formula for Jacobian. Let us go further for the some simple illustration or example on Jacobian. So we have example. Let us use this. Okay, so we have, if XU is equal to VW, YV is equal to WU, and ZW is equal to UV, then find delta X, Y, Z by delta U, V, W. So here you can see that XU is VW, YV is WU, and ZW is UV. So from these equations we can have actually that X is equal to VW upon U, Y is equal to WU upon V, and Z is equal to UV upon W. So in fact we have that X, Y and Z explicitly in terms of U, V and W, and that is the basic requirement. If you are finding Jacobian by basic definition, then we must have that numerator variables X, Y and Z in terms of denominator variables U, V and W, because we need to find out the derivatives, delta X by delta U, delta X by delta V, and delta X by delta W. Similarly, delta Y by delta U, delta Y by delta V, delta Y by delta W, and last delta Z by delta U, delta Z by delta V, and delta Z by delta W. Okay, so let us start with the formula. As we know that, as we have seen by definition of Jacobian, that Jacobian of X, Y, Z with respect to U, V, W is equal to the 3 by 3 determinant delta X by delta U, delta X by delta V, delta X by delta W, then delta Y by delta U, delta Y by delta V, delta Y by delta W, and the last row, that is delta Z by delta U, delta Z by delta V, and delta Z by delta W. Determinant. You just put that derivatives. So when you are calculating Jacobian, you need to find out these derivatives correctly, because if the derivatives are correct, then your answer will be correct. Probably means it will depend on the, obviously, on the evaluation of determinant also. So what is delta X by delta U? Delta X by delta U. So it is V and W constant with respect to U. So it is minus VW upon U square. Then delta X by delta V is W upon U. Then delta X by delta W, that is V upon U. Delta Y by delta U, that is W upon V. Delta Y by delta V, that is minus WU upon V square. Delta Y by W is U upon V. Then delta Z by delta U, that is V upon W. Delta Z by delta V is U upon W, and last delta Z by delta W is minus UV upon W square. So we have substituted the values of derivatives. Okay, so we just evaluate the determinant. So that required is equal to We are evaluating 3 by 3 determinant. Always remember that if it is possible to take common from any row or column, then first of all take that common. So here you can see that from this 1 upon u, 1 upon u, 1 upon u means from first row we can have that 1 upon u common. Similarly from second row 1 upon v we can have common. From third 1 upon w we can have common. So it is equal to 1 upon u v w into determinant. So from first row we have taken 1 upon u outside. So what remains here? Minus vw upon u. Minus vw upon u. Then w and v only. W and v. From second row we have taken 1 upon v outside. So it is w minus wu upon v. W minus wu upon v. And last is u. From third row we have taken 1 upon w outside. So it is vu and minus uv upon w. Vu and minus uv upon w. Okay. So it is equal to 1 upon uvw. Now let us apply the formula for determinant along the first row. So it is minus vw upon u, this entry, into minor of this. So delete row and column. So what remains? This into this minus this into this. Just mention that minus wu upon v into minus uv upon w minus u square. Okay, then minus w into minor of that. So just delete column and row. So what it is, w into this, w cancel, what remains only minus uv and this u into v. So minus uv again plus v into minor of v into wu or uw, you can say uw minus it is plus this product of these two, that is vv cancel, so it is uw just. Let's simplify this. So it is 1 upon uvw into, now this v cancels, w also cancel, then minus u into minus, that is plus u square, and this minus u square, this term will be totally 0 and 0 into this thing is 0, this first thing is 0. Then minus uv into w minus u into w, that is plus 2uvw plus this is again 2uvw. So it is in fact 4uvw divided by uvw. So that uvw also cancels. What is the answer? So this is how we find Jacobian by using the basic formula. But remember that to find any Jacobian, we must have numerator variables in terms of denominator variables if you are finding it by basic definition in terms of determinant.